Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Kitchen Blender Review. Number 1. Magic Kitchen Blender. Magic Bullet. The Magic Bullet Blender Small is the revolutionary new kitchen appliance that replaces your conventional food processor, blender, stick blender and more. In just seconds you can blend smoothies, shakes, mix drinks, sauces, and more. This blender is perfect for portion control, weight control, healthy eating, baby food, and so much more. It is the fastest, easiest and most versatile little blender on the planet. Free recipes and a free DVD to get you started. With 11 pieces, everything is included to make healthy eating and drinking easy. Includes tall 24 Oz, tumbler, tall 20 Oz, sport bottle, cross blade, 2 resealable lids, comfort lip ring, flat blade, 2 comfort lip rings, small recipe book and DVD, and Magic Bullet Blender Bullet. Number 2. CINCRED Kitchen Blender. CINCRED Blender is the best blender for smoothies, ice cream and all-purpose mixing. This blender is a smoothie maker, fruit and vegetable crusher, an ice cream maker, coffee grinder, and much more all in one small package. Comes with 2 pieces 400 ml travel cups. High performance blender. This powerful 150 watts blender is made with high quality stainless steel blades that make fast work of ice, nuts, seeds, and fruits. The 2-speed control makes it easy to make smoothies, milkshakes, and slushy drinks. Number 3. BREVILLE Kitchen Blender. This powerful blender can crush ice, nuts, seeds and frozen fruits for delicious smoothies, fruit juices, margaritas and cocktails in seconds. Its stylish and sturdy die-cast metal base has a high-friction grip that keeps it in place while blending, and the one-touch pulse action offers a range of textures. The patented stainless steel blade is designed to crush more efficiently, creating more air pockets and mixing ingredients into a smoother consistency. The jar and lid are dishwasher safe and BPA free. The blender's travel-friendly size makes it easy to take to work or to use on picnics and other spontaneous outings. Number 4. KitchenAid Kitchen Blender. KitchenAid's 5-speed diamond blender was created with the sole purpose to meet your blending needs. The KitchenAid 5-speed diamond blender comes with a high-capacity, BPA-free pitcher for all your blending needs. The pitcher also features a convenient pour spout for easy pouring and a lid with an integrated handle for safe and secure pouring. The 60-ounce pitcher is perfect for any home or commercial use. The KitchenAid 5-speed diamond blender's pitcher, lid and base can all be used in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Number 5. BLENDTEC Kitchen Blender. BLENDTEC's Designer Series Smart Blender is a sleek machine with a distinctive look and the ultimate in performance, function and features, including a 575-watt motor and the precision digital display. The Designer Series Smart Blender makes it easier to blend, mix and puree your favorite foods. With its intuitive digital display, it's easy to program, select and adjust cycles so that you can create delicious meals, sauces and mixes. With over 30 pre-programmed options, you can create everything from snacks and smoothies, to dips and soups to frozen desserts. This black, 36-ounce Designer Series blender is designed with a 575-watt peak power, digital control panel and a glass jar with wild side plus jar. This blender is easy to use, easy to clean and ready for a lifetime of creativity in the kitchen. Thanks for watching my video.